Hey traders, another quick review here from earlier this morning, Thursday, and same basic setup that we reviewed in the previous video, but again, this is what you're tuning your eyes into seeing. Repetition. This is the pattern that we see over and over again, and it gives us our roadmap to follow. The roadmap for entry, a roadmap for controlling risk, and a roadmap for managing the trade once we get into it. All right, here's how things played out. And remember, what we're doing here in effect is identifying potential price momentum areas in the market before they occur, right? Reversal spots in the market are what we're looking for. These areas where traders get trapped, right? You have a stop run, in this case, heading to the downside, stop run on micro time frames. They're trapping sellers, shaking out weak longs, and the market comes into a reference point, right? A previous push zone on the higher time frame, the 16R right here. So you can elect to enter there. There's a couple different spots that we can look for entry. But the most conservative spot, and that's going to be the focus of this video, is going to be waiting for a new push zone to form, a buy-side push zone on the 4R chart. That shows us that control has shifted back to buyers, right? Here it's sellers in control. We're looking for control to shift back to buyers, right? So we can anticipate the rip that's going to come in from this area, the reversal, the change in momentum. And then as we follow along here, we see where the push zone comes in. Another little test. So essentially we have a stop run over retest. And then we get the push zone form. The push zone actually comes in on this bar right here. The bar previous to this last bar. And then we get a quick little pullback right into the top of the zone. In this case, the zone may be a little bit wider than what we're used to seeing on the 4R, 5R. Every zone is different. Really, this is about as wide of a zone that you'll ever see, but you can see from zones on this chart and from previous videos, I should say, that you've watched, zones can be different sizes. The size of the zone does not mean it's stronger or weaker, or we don't give any importance to that. And here the market, that's the low of the day, low of the morning, right about 11 a.m. And then they just continue up and continue to create push zones on the way up. So if you're holding runners, your stop comes up now below this push zone. Right? Nice aggressive uptick once they've trapped these sellers, shake out weak longs, smart money accumulates the long positions that they want to accumulate, they buy back their shorts, and now it's time for the market to head in the other way. It's time for control to shift back to buyers. And this is what the push zones show us, guys. Simple stuff. No need to complicate it. Just a matter of reading essentially what the market's telling us. Trade patient, trade well, everybody. We'll see you soon.